Hey, what's up today? I'm going to be unboxing a WWE Ultimate Edition Charlotte Flair. I picked this up when it was very cheap for an Ultimate. It was £16 and very had a few on there that I didn't have. So up. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 plastic ties around the road. Unreal, the amount of stuff, plastic on here. Nope, the robe is sellotaped down to the back. Sellotape. There we have Charlotte Flair. I think we changed the heads on her. Figure. Charlotte with the robe, Flair on the back. We are going to switch the head out. Pop that one off. Pop the new one on. There we go. There's Charlotte, the new face I've put on. That looks really good. The robe. I'll leave it like that. God, that's really good. I really like that figure. Thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with some more unboxings.